morning, everybody. Today's gonna be an amazing day because we're gonna be knocking out breakfast on the Weber Kettle. Hey, if you love to grill and barbecue, then this is the channel for you. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. And if you don't mind, for a brother, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. I'll wait for you. You done? Good. All right, so let's get it started. I got my Weber Kettle in the back. I got that for a Father's Day present and been holding on to it. So we're gonna take this thing up to the shop, but we gotta make a stop first and grab some breakfast stuff. I really, man, I'll be honest with you. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I don't even know if how I'm gonna do this. This may be a total failure. I think I'm gonna start off a little bit easy. The last time I done an entire meal on a Weber Kettle is when I was cooking with it all the time. I had the fire figured out. I had all the heat zones figured out. I knew exactly. I did chicken fried steak, mashed potatoes, and gravy. I'm gonna go a little easy this time, just so I don't burn it, just so I don't tear it up. Because I'm kind of hungry. It's early in the morning and I'm kind of hungry. I don't know what I'm gonna pick. When I get to the grocery store, I'll find out. Whatever looks good, that's what I'm gonna grab, and then we'll get to cooking some breakfast. Trying to. But first, let's hit the store. Look at this beautiful drive to work. I just love it. I just love living out here in the country. Man, this is what we ought to be cooking breakfast on right here. Jeez. Got a burner, griddle. What's this? Heck yeah, cutting board. I will tell you guys, I planned on coming in here and nobody being in here because it's so early in the morning. But there are people everywhere. There's Walmart people everywhere. So I'm gonna try to film as much as I can. That's why I'm whispering now, because there's like 5 right there. I'll film as much as I can, praying I don't get in trouble filming, but hey, let's head back inside and do this. Just come down the fishing aisle, and there's not a Guggen bait one. Come on, Mustang, Oklahoma. Come on, man. You better than this. All right, so this is what we're looking at. We got ham steak, hash browns, eggs, and biscuits. And you would be shocked at how many people are here. Oh my gosh, this is nuts. Just from what I can count, right here where I'm at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Walmart employees. They put these people on the register in the evening. Jeez, people. All right, so we're on our way. We got our score. Man, I'm kind of digging that ham right now. Man, I hope we have some cheese. I'd like to put cheese on the hash browns, but I don't know. We'll see. Man, I hope we can do this. I really do. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I'm a little nervous. I am a little bit nervous. But, you know, hey, man. No risk, no reward. Hey, leave me a comment down below. If you didn't eat that ham, what's the protein you would cook? Leave me a comment. All right, so we're all set up. We're out here. I think we're gonna run some mesquite lump. I got my GoPro. This is gonna be awesome. I hope. I think the filming will be awesome. The food, I'm not quite so sure about, but I think we can do it. I think we can do it, so we're just gonna jump right into it, get this thing going, and see what happens. I will say this, I am gonna start first with the biscuits. I think they're gonna take the longest, so I'm gonna do the biscuits first, then I'm gonna slide the hash browns in there because they always take time. And then the ham is gonna be quick. I'll just do it over the fire, boom, boom, it'll be done. And then the eggs are gonna be fun. So let's just jump right into it. Boom. All right, we'll get her lit, man. All right, so I put the pan in here. I put a pan in here, and I put water in it. And I'm gonna put the lump charcoal over there. The reason for this is, one, just to keep the charcoal over there. This will be my direct heat right here. This will be my indirect over here. So that way, when I want to get something hot, I can just put it over the fire. When I want to cool it down, I can bring it back. And besides, we're fixing to do biscuits first, so I think the moisture will help. Then I can cover it, and so, let's see. Oh, hot, 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 hot. All right, so we're gonna get these biscuits on and see how we roll. All right, so we're gonna spray this is what we're gonna put the biscuits in. So I'm just gonna spray the inside. I think we got 5 biscuits. So I'll spray 2 of them. We may have to sacrifice one of them. Oh man, that scared me. One there. One there. And sorry, bro. No room for you. Breakfast has begun. All right, so let's get a check. Ooh, this house getting a little done too quick. Let's turn them sideways. We'll do like this. Do like that. Fire's looking good though. Fire is looking good. I'm gonna put the. What do you think? Put the exhaust over the biscuits. Yeah, let's do that. So, do you think it'll turn out?
I don't know what to think.
Have you ever seen breakfast done on a Weber before?
No, never. This is the first time I've ever seen anyone cook on a Weber.
What about biscuits?
What about them?
You think they'll go?
Oh man, yeah, I think they'll be okay.
You think?
Yeah, they may have some flavor.
What about the hash browns?
Yeah. It depends on how long it takes to cook them. We'll see.
All right.
The eggs will be pretty good, I bet.
I hope so. I got my non-stick pan I brought from home. I'm hoping they'll go.
Favorite egg pan?
Favorite egg pan, bingo. Ooh, these are looking good. Hope they don't stick to the bottom. Oh, they don't. It's already sliding. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Gold right there. All right, so next up is our shredded hash browns. And yeah, I figure I just bought them in a bag. Because if I was going camping, this is how I would do it. We're gonna put them in the pan with a little bit of oil and get them on there. Woo! Boy, them suckers are done. Hold that for me, would you, brother? See if I can grab them both at once. Yeah! Put them right there. So next, let's get some oil in our pan. That's probably enough, huh?
Oh yeah.
Probably a little more for frying hash browns, you think? We'll do a little more. They'll soak up a lot. Alright, here we go. I need to get a heat glove. Dude, nailed them. Nailed them. I'm just gonna put a... That's a lot of butter.
More the merrier.
What do you think? That'll hold nice, huh?
It sure will.
Come on. There we go. See, they're already starting to sizzle. We know we got this. We got this. You know what we forgot? Salt, pepper, garlic.
Uh-oh.
Be right back. Now, that's what I'm talking about right there. Oh yeah, there we go. SPG to the rescue. right, so I gotta say the hash browns are taking the longest. Our coals are going out a little bit, so we're gonna relight another one and then put them in here and finish these. I want to get these golden brown. I'm dying to. I already screwed them up once. All right, I think they're getting a little more crispier. Let's flip them. Oh yeah. Maybe I'll split them up. There we go. There we go. This side's hard to cook because of the handle won't get over the fire. So we'll spin these around and try to crisp up that other side. These are pretty much done though. Hash browns are looking good. We're gonna get these eggs in, and I know this is non-stick, but this is a Weber kettle, and I don't have no eggs.
Eggs are in the fridge.
All right, I'm gonna go get the eggs. So far, breakfast is looking good. Hash browns, eggs fixing to go in. Biscuits are done, and then all we gotta do is the ham. I think we're gonna do it, man. I think we're gonna complete this task. All right, here we go. Egg one. Don't fail me now. Woo. Egg two. Think we can get 3 in there? Let's do 3. Oh, you know what we've got?
SPG.
There we go. Seasoned up right nice. Don't move. Woo, eggs are looking good. I say when I flip them, I'm gonna move them over here, get the ham going, because I want to be eating ham when them are done. We're just going, boom, there we go. Slice it in half, throw it on. That's all we're gonna do. Right there. All right, hash browns are done and they look good. I love these guys right here. I'm gonna get these set over here, out of the way. Ooh, I'll put them on here. Boom, perfect holder. Pull these eggs over. Get our ham on. Get our ham on. See what I did there? Should I flip them?
Should I char on both sides?
Man, they look nice sunny side up. Let's do that. Sunny side up. Good thing is, ham don't take that long. We'll be eating before you know it. Ooh, yeah. Looking good. Eggs are looking good, man. Come on. Come on now. Gotta have the ham. Gotta have the ham. What do you think?
Perfect. Beautiful.
I'm gonna eat this little guy. Oh, yes. Come on, hash browns.
The hash.
Don't stick. We've come too far. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Where's our little biscuits? Yes, sir. Right there. Breakfast on a Weber kettle like that. You can't get that anywhere. You can't get that anywhere. All right, so hey, man, I want to thank you guys for watching. I say we nailed this one. I was a little worried, I ain't gonna lie, but hey, man, I'm gonna jump right in and take a bite. Hey, man, I love you. As always, smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. And I'll catch you in the next video. Dude, this is it. This is where it's at. Look at that. Look at them runny eggs. Go ahead and pick it up. Come on.